If you've ever curled your lashes only to watch them droop by lunchtime, you know the struggle is real. Finding a mascara that holds a curl and enhances volume, length, and definition is like striking beauty gold. In today's video, we're solving that problem for good. I've reviewed the top 5 curl holding mascaras on the market, breaking down their real performance across all the essentials: curl retention, application, wear time, and more. Let's dive into the ultimate list that your lashes and your lash curler will thank you for. Kicking off our list at number 1, Too Faced Better Than Sex. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has reached cult favorite status for a reason. It promises dramatic lashes with major curl holding power. Designed to mimic the effect of false lashes, this mascara's volumizing formula combined with its unique brush makes it a frontrunner for anyone looking to keep their curl locked in from morning till night. Key features: this mascara features an hourglass-shaped brush designed to coat every single lash while lifting and separating. It's enriched with film-forming polymers that help hold curl and shape, along with acacia Senegal tree extract that nourishes and sets the look in place. Its buildable formula allows users to apply one or multiple layers without clumping. Benefits and usage. Better Than Sex is ideal for users who want bold, lifted lashes without lash extensions. The intense black pigment enhances eye definition, and its consistency allows for both natural and high-drama looks. Curl your lashes. Apply 1 to 2 coats with a zigzag motion from root to tip, and expect dramatic lift that actually lasts. Usability. Application is straightforward, and the brush's ergonomic shape makes it easy to reach lashes at the corners of the eyes. It layers well without flaking, which is great for touch-ups throughout the day. The formula also dries relatively quickly, reducing smudging risks right after application. Durability. Once applied, the curl stays intact even in mildly humid environments. Though the non-waterproof version may struggle in extreme moisture, the waterproof variant truly locks in the curl for up to 12 hours. It's easily removed with a dual-phase or oil-based remover, ensuring no lash tugging. In the second spot, we have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. The Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara is a 4-in-1 product that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions lashes. Designed for sensitive eyes and formulated without harsh chemicals, it's a go-to for anyone who wants performance with a gentle touch, and especially for those who struggle with maintaining curl on stubborn, straight lashes. Key features: it includes rice bran wax to lengthen and curl, olive esters to condition, and provitamin B5 to nourish lashes during wear. The straight, precision brush helps lift lashes at the root and separate them evenly, creating an extended, wide-eyed effect that stays put. Benefits and usage. This mascara enhances curl right from the root, making it ideal for naturally straight lashes. 1 to 2 coats after curling your lashes provide visible lift, and the nourishing formula supports long-term lash health. It's particularly helpful for daily use, as it won't weigh lashes down or make them brittle. Usability. The application is clean and smudge-free thanks to its lightweight texture. The slim brush glides smoothly along the lash line, ensuring that each lash is defined without clumping. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced users due to its fuss-free formula. Durability. The curl holding effect lasts well throughout a typical workday, especially when applied over curled lashes. While it isn't waterproof, it holds its own against light humidity and stays fresh-looking for up to 10 hours. Removal is effortless with standard makeup remover or micellar water. Coming in at number 3 is the Lancôme Hypnôse Drama. The Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering intense volume and all-day curl retention. Designed with a unique S-shaped brush, it works like a lash lifting tool and mascara in one, giving dramatic results with each stroke. Key features. The standout feature is its convex brush that hugs the lashes for full contact and optimal lift. Its creamy, intensely pigmented formula thickens lashes instantly while polymers work to hold the curl. It's also enriched with provitamin B5 to keep lashes healthy and hydrated throughout wear. Benefits and usage. Ideal for people who want volume without sacrificing curl, this mascara delivers a bold eye look that doesn't droop or flatten out. After curling, apply 1 coat for noticeable lift or build it up to 3 coats for a glamorous, full fan effect. It's excellent for nights out or events where staying power matters. Usability. While the curved brush may have a slight learning curve, it's surprisingly easy to control once you get used to it. It grabs even the smallest lashes and adds definition without clumps. The formula glides on smoothly and gives immediate impact, reducing the need for multiple layers. Durability. Hypnôse Drama holds curl firmly for up to 12 hours without smudging or transferring. It's also available in a waterproof version that offers enhanced curl longevity for hot, humid days. It removes easily with a dual-phase remover, leaving lashes intact and healthy. Taking our fourth spot is IT Cosmetics Superhero. The IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara is all about strength, both in lash lift and longevity. Infused with skincare-level ingredients, this mascara thickens, lengthens, and most importantly, holds curl like a pro. It's especially favored by users who want to improve lash appearance while boosting natural curl hold. Key features. This mascara is formulated with biotin, collagen, and peptides, which work together to strengthen and condition lashes over time. Its elastic stretch technology allows the product to wrap each lash in a weightless coating that lifts and locks curl while building visible volume in one stroke. Benefits and usage. Perfect for those with shorter or sparse lashes, Superhero delivers sky-high curl without relying on multiple layers. After curling, a single coat gives you intense lift and depth. Its conditioning properties make it a great daily mascara, helping to improve lash texture with regular use. Usability. The full bristle brush grabs onto lashes at the base, making it easy to comb through without clumping. It works well for both upper and lower lashes, allowing for a complete eye-opening effect. The formula is lightweight and dries quickly, reducing the chances of smudging or transfer. Durability. Curl retention is one of Superhero's strongest traits. It keeps lashes lifted for up to 12 hours. It doesn't flake or crumble, even with extended wear. Though not waterproof, it resists moisture well enough for most daily conditions, and removal is gentle with a standard cleanser. And finally, at number 5, we have Bobbi Brown Eye Opening. The Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara is designed to do exactly what its name promises. Give your eyes a bold, wide-awake look while holding curl effortlessly. It's a professional-grade formula made for users who want lift, length, and stamina, all packed into one powerful tube. Key features. Featuring a jumbo brush and an intensely pigmented formula, this mascara delivers extreme volume and curl in just one coat. Its carbon black color enhances lash visibility, while the quick-drying formula helps maintain the shape achieved from curling. Conditioning agents also keep lashes soft and flexible. Benefits and usage. This mascara is best for people who want a big lash effect that holds steady all day long. Start with curled lashes and use 1 or 2 coats to achieve dramatic height and volume. Its formulation gives instant payoff with no need for reapplication, perfect for long workdays or events. Usability. The oversized brush may seem intimidating at first, but it actually speeds up application by coating all lashes in fewer swipes. It separates and defines well, creating a fan-like effect. The formula is smudge-resistant and doesn't require constant mirror checks throughout the day. Durability. Eye-opening mascara is known for its impressive wear time. It locks curl for over 10 hours and resists both flaking and smearing. Though not waterproof, it holds up beautifully under light sweat or humidity. It washes off cleanly with a makeup remover, leaving lashes soft and residue-free. And there you have it, the top 5 best curl-holding mascaras that genuinely deliver on their promises. Whether you're after sky-high lift, long-lasting volume, or gentle conditioning for everyday wear, there's an option here for every lash type and lifestyle. The key to unforgettable lashes isn't just in the curl, but in keeping that curl intact all day long. Try out the one that matches your needs, and say goodbye to lash droop for good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're reaching for first.